It is considered a taboo to eat from the new yam harvest until this ritual is completed. Welcome to Ho, the capital of the Asogli state, a traditional state made up of 4 divisions: Ho, Akwepe, Banoe, and Takra. Today marks exactly a week to the Grand Eba of Dzawuwu, the Yam Festival celebrated by the chiefs and people of the Asogli state. Chiefs and elders are gathered, seated in anticipation, awaiting the arrival of Togbe Akwede, the 14th, the Gogo Mafia of the Asogli state, and Mamaga Akriade. This is Dzawuwu, the feasting on the new year. As tradition demands, this rite is preceded by the Yuru, the hailing of the new year, before any indigene of the Asogli state can eat of the fresh yam harvest. During Dzawuwu, prayers are offered to the ancestors through libation. Sacrifices of fowls and sheep are made and presented to the gods, seeking blessings of abundance and peace. Then the new yam is prepared into 2 dishes, one with palm oil and the other without. The yam is boiled, mashed and served, first to the gods. then to Togbe Afede IV, the Agbogbo of the Asogli state. His sub-chiefs follow, then the rest of the Asogli state joined in the feast. This ritual is deeply symbolic. The Yuyu showcases the bounty of the harvest, whilst Dzawuwu ensures that the gods are set first, a gesture of gratitude before the celebrations is spread across the land. This is Dzawuwu feasting on the new year. This is Ghana. Ghana is beautiful. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more cultural and beautiful journeys across the country. Thank you for watching.